It's a bright and calm afternoon on your breaks from work. You decided to lay yourself under the sun and gaze the sky. Then you wonder, why is the sky blue? I, Ahmad Fakhri, will try to explain what's going on. It may seem complicated, but the physics behind it is quite simple. Before we talk about why, let's first understand what is the sky exactly. The sky we're seeing is the atmosphere of the Earth. It consists of many kinds of gases, dust particles, water droplets, and water vapor. The gases are composed of mostly nitrogen at around 78% and oxygen at around 21%. The remaining gases are argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases at around 1%. Now, that's the sky, but what makes us able to see it? It's the light coming from the sun. The sun emits, as we see it, white lights, but it is actually emitting 7 different visible light with their own wavelength and frequencies. The visible light spectrum, that's what we call it, classifies color by its frequency and wavelength. It goes from the lowest frequency to the highest and the longest wavelength to the shortest. The color in order is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Alright, onto the question, why is the sky blue? When sunlight hits the air molecule, scattering occurs. Scattering is a process in which air molecules absorb sunlight and re-emit it in every direction. The amount of light that will be scattered is defined in Rayleigh's law of scattering, which states that the intensity of the scattered light is inversely proportional to the force power of its wavelength. That means the longer the wavelength, the less it scatters, and the other way around. That means the blue, indigo, and purple light will be scattered more in the sky, making it appear blue to us. But why doesn't the sky appear violet or indigo? Scientists have learned that sun doesn't emit lights equally. Solar spectrum tells us how much of a particular wavelength is emitted by the sun. From the graph, we can see that sun emits more blue lights than indigo and purple. Therefore, blue light is the dominant color. Not only that, our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than to violet light. What about dust particles and water droplets? Their size is so much bigger than the light waves and scatters light equally. Hence, the light scattered appears to be white. That's why the clouds are white. That's all I got to say. I hope my explanations are clear and expand your knowledge. Thanks for watching. See ya!